Hi, I'm Alabitosin, and I'll be taking through the Visual Studio, most especially how to create a desktop application. How to create a desktop application, and we'll be examining one of the controls we have in our tools. One of the controls we have to work with. So the first control I want to talk with is the errorProvider tool. So you come here, I make use of the Visual Studio 2013. In the Ultimate, you come here, you create a new file, you come to new project. Actually, it's an application, a desktop application. We're not creating a website. So you come to a new project, you click on it, then you click on that's the, it means now when you come here, you see that it's having Visual C#, and we have the Visual Basic, you have the Visual C++, you have the Visual C#, you have the Visual Basic, you have the Visual F#, depending on the one you want to use. But we are using the Visual C#. We are using the C# programming language, and so you can rename. You click on, you make sure you click on this, then you rename your application. So what we want to do is we want to learn how to create the to make use of the errorProvider in our application. So let me just call it errorProvider apply. So that's it. Then you click on OK. Then you wait for it. You know, it's creating the project already, so you wait. All right, so we are good to go. We are good to go. Yeah, we have a lot of tools we can make use of. We can make use of. You see, we have the background worker, we have the binding navigator and the likes. But let's just start with this. We're starting with the errorProvider. So how are we going to make use of the errorProvider? You come here, this is what I'm talking about. You come to errorProvider. Now the essence of the errorProvider is to, you know, for example, let's say you have to enter your name in a particular text box, and you didn't enter your name, and you want to proceed to do some other thing. So it pops up, the errorProvider control pops up and lets you know that something is wrong. Hey guys, something is wrong with what you're doing. That is just it. Well, you get a better view after we are through with the application. So this is it. We need 3 of these on this form. So you drop it, you just drag it on the form, you release your mouse, 1, so you have it displayed there, but we need 2 more. So you come there again, you drop it, 2, and you drop the 3rd one. Now this is it. Now we need a label. You come to where your label is, you drop your label, yeah, Control V. Now you come here. Now this is it. You come to label, let's give it a name. You come to your text property so that we can give it a unique name. So let me just call it enter your name. Now you see it displayed there. Then this one is let me call it enter your age. You see it displayed there. Now this is it. The next thing is that we need a text box. So you come here, you drop your text box. We have the text box 1. You can enlarge it. Then you click on it, Control V, paste. You have your text box 2. Now perhaps you can reduce this. Now so this is it. Now you click on this. Let's give it a name. It's called an identifier with which we can uniquely identify that control. So instead of text box 1, let's call it text underscore name. Okay, now let's call this text underscore age. All right, yeah, with that, now you click on text box. Now don't forget we have the errorProvider 2, errorProvider 3. Now let's run it to ensure everything works fine. Now when you run it, this is what we want to do. You know, let's wait for the program to come up. It's building. All right, there's it. Now when you click on this, when you enter, now this is it. You have to enter your name here. When you enter your name here, and or let's say you just left this empty, you didn't enter your name, and you come here, you started typing, then this the errorProvider will show up here and tell you that, hey guy, you need to enter your name. that you have not done it. And when you come here, instead of entering numbers, because it's meant for age, the error provider will show and tell you that no, you need to enter your age. So that's just the concept of what we want to do. So it's a very simple application. So you come here, you just come, you click on this place. Now this is it. Instead of double clicking on it, we are not actually doing anything on the text property. What we want to do is the validation. So you come here. Now when you come here, now watch this. You come to this place, you see here there is when you hover your mouse over this, you see a word events. Now you click on it. So we want to trigger an event. That is it. We want the text box. So you come to your validation event. You come to where you have the validation. Now this is it. But we are going to validating. Now once you click here, you just double click. Yeah. Once you have the strobe, just double click. Once you double click, it shows here. Now it's telling you that private void text underscore name underscore, this is the name of our text box, of our text underscore name, and then we want to validate it using the error provider. So you just come here. Now before you can use it, please, we need to make use of the regular expression, and all the class or everything we have here, they are referred to as reference. So whatever you want to make use of on your code editor, you have to reference it here. So let me reference this. So you must include this using system dot text dot regular expression. Then you end it there. Now this is what we are going to do now. Now you now come here, you say if text underscore name dot text is equal to empty, that will be string dot empty. If it is empty, we want it to do this. Now we start by saying error provider 1 dot set error. It means we want to set the error. So how do you want to set the error? Into what? What's the name of the control? We want to set the error for this. The name of our control, which is text box. The name of our control is this text name. So we want to, so that will be text name. That's the name of our control. You understand? You put a comma. Then what's the name of the value? What do you want it to show? You tell him, please enter your name. Please enter your name. Then come here, you majesty. Now look at this. You just come here, please enter your name. Else error provider dot set error. That will be text. It means we want to set it at that place, at that point, at that set error. Correct. So what are we trying to say? In case if the person enters his name, it means you are correct. If you leave the text box empty, you are wrong. So let's run our program and see. Now this is it. Now if I leave it here, now can you see the error provider? Now listen, it's telling you please enter your name. If you leave it, can you see please enter your name? It means you have not entered the name. So let's say I entered my name, Tosin, and I click here. Now when I put it there, it tells you correct. That's the essence of the error provider. If you don't enter anything, you just come here and you put it there. It tells you please enter your name. Now before we continue with that, there's another concerning the age. You need to do the same thing. You just click on age. Name is text age. You come to events, not on this. Now you must ensure you click on event. Once again, you look for validating. This is it. You double click on validating. Now without wasting much time, I already have the code prepared here. I've already done it here, so you can just, so I'm going to copy, although we are going to review the code. I'm going to copy it. I'll copy it and I will paste it here. So this is it. So So it's balanced like that. Now you can just press pause, and you can pause your video and then look at this code very well for you to understand it. Now look at it. It's just similar to what we have done here. So this is it. This is the name of your control. Your age is called the text box, second text box for age, which we named text age dot text equals to string dot empty. Now this is it. You set it to provider. Please provide your age in case the person did not enter anything. Now look at this. You have the register. Now this it means regular expression. REGEX. It means regular expression. So it's a keyword. Yeah, so it already has a predefined meaning. So please, you just write this, you instantiate it, and you put the regular expressions there. It means these are the things that are permitted. These are you are only permitted to type any number within 0 and 9. But as long as you are typing alphabet, this is it tells you wrong format. Now let's look at it. You come here, you run your program. Now look at, let's say I didn't type it, so it's telling me please enter your name. Now let's say I just type that is an alphabet, which is wrong. So once I click outside it and I put it in wrong format, even if I put Tosin, it still tells me wrong format. So until I put number. Okay, how old are you? You are 21 years old. Okay, when you click outside, when you click here, it tells you correct. So that's just the concept of all this. And in case you have any question, you can forward your questions to programmertosin@gmail.com. 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 programmertosin. Then I can attend to your question. So that's just it. Very simple. So enjoy yourself.